It broke. Alright, we got the brand new 845. This is the DeWalt XR DCF 845. This is top of the line, brand new, just barely came out. And then we have the Hercules. This is the brand new brushless impact driver. Just released into the stores a few days back. So these should be at the stores already available. This is a great value for what it is. We already did an introduction video if you want to check that out, with the features and everything. We already did an introduction video on this one too. So if you want to check either of them out, we're going to put them head to head. And we're going to see which one is better, or at least which one's more powerful. But they're both really smooth. They're both really smooth, powerful. We're going to see. I'm going to go ahead and put a 5 amp hour battery on this one too. So no cheating, guys. No cheating. We're going to be putting a 5 amp hour battery on this one. Since this one does have a 5 amp hour battery, 3-speed XR. This is a DCF 845. You got a 5 amp hour battery, fully charged, just fresh out of the charger. And we're going to be running it on speed 3. This is fresh out of the charger too, 3 bars. Simple drilling, and then we're gonna move on to the harder stuff. Let us know in the comment section what you guys think. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make part 2 review videos. That's the way you to rest the platform, by subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. I'm gonna start with the Hercules. Then we're gonna move on to the XR. Alright, so we're going to start with this 3.5 inch screw with an adapter. This is a quick insert collet. We got the XR, speed 3. Quick insert collets as well. 1, 2, 3, go. One, two, three, take off. Alright. Alright, we got some drilling. So this is a 3/8 drill bit. Speed 3. Okay, we got the same thing, 3/8 drill bits. XR. One-inch spade bit. All right, hold right here. 1, 2, 3, go. It broke. You guys do see how powerful this thing is? This thing is a beast. He just broke it off. This thing has a bunch of torque. This thing is powerful. It just snapped it right off. Drilling mode. Alright, this thing is trash. I got this 7/8 spade bit. Since the other one broke, I want to have another 1 inch. So we're going to throw this 7/8 spade bit instead. Hopefully it will not break it. Alright, we got the XR. 1, 2, 3, go. We got a 4.5 by 1/2 inch lag. We're gonna be doing a pre-drilling, 2 holes, pre-drilled, so we don't want to split the wood. About halfway on this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. About halfway. All right, we got the Hercules. The Hercules is gonna do the one on the right, and the DeWalt's gonna do the one on the left. I got a 3/4 inch Makita impact rated socket, and obviously the 4" by 1/2 inch lag. All right, let's do the DeWalt XR. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, go. All right, so it's in. We're gonna take it out. 1, 2, 3, go. Right here, 1/2 inch, about halfway in. All right, we're gonna do a retest with the Hercules. We got the spade bit, got the adapter. We got the 4.5 inch lag screw. This is just a retest. Here's the other hole. 1, 2, 3, go. All right, check it out. 1, 2, 3, go. Go. All right, guys. After seeing both of these drills, both of these beasts, after seeing the performance on these, let us know down in the comment section, what do you guys think? I do not know the results yet because I haven't edited the video. Once I edit the video, I will know which one's, you know, obviously going faster than the other, which one has more power. Ergonomically, I really like both tools. Really feel that the DeWalt's nice and slim. Very smooth. I really like the function 1, the screw mode that it has. Very smooth, really narrow. As you guys do see, it's much more narrow. But if you guys do look closely, the Hercules is shorter. It's just a little bit shorter than the DeWalt. It might be a little fatter, but it is shorter. Really like the new design, the new rubber, the speed selector there. The automatic mode is really nice. The one that doesn't run off the tools. That one. So I really like that automatic mode. Really appreciate that a company like Harbor Freight is actually putting quality tools like this, not just trash tools. Guys, let us know in the comment section, what do you guys think? Do you guys think this tool is trash? That this tool is trash? Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribing and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.